Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shrey's Adventures. Today is Saturday 16th of October. It's 9:45 a.m. Today I've woken up at 6 a.m. in the morning, got my house clean and I've just gotten ready. It's a very big day for me today. I'm very excited because I'm going to receive the delivery of my bike from BMW. I've got a BMW R1250 GS Adventure and it's a very big day in my life today. Yeah, they've just got the crate at the showroom. I'm going to unbox it and then they are going to take it for the PDI, and I think by tomorrow I should be having the bike I'll maybe take half day from work for that and yeah, go and get my bike. And as you can see, my old setup is gone and I'm just recording from my GoPro now, so that's an upgrade. There's Dhruv patiently waiting for me for the last 20 minutes and he's kept the driver's seat empty because he usually expects me to drive, but today I don't want to drive, I want to vlog, so I think he will need to drive the car today. So we are just on the way right now on Sheikh Zayed Road. I'm with Dhruv and yeah, just reaching the BMW showroom in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, so I just got my license last week and it was very tough, very stressful, and yeah, I got it after a duration of 2 months. I had to struggle since the day I opened my file until getting the license. It was 2 months, but I finally got it, so I can register my bike tomorrow and bring it on the... So we are at the BMW AGMC showroom at Sheikh Zayed Road and it's very noisy because of the Sheikh Zayed Road. A lot of vehicles traveling from here. This is such a huge moment in my life and you cannot imagine how nervous I am right now. I'm so anxious and I'm so nervous and it's just weird. I mean, like Babu Bhaiya says, you know, मेरे को तो ऐसा धक धक हो रहा है. No, this is not very sharp. Why is it so hard? क्या हो गया यार? Quality bro. German quality. Whew. That was the hardest cable tie I've ever opened. What a beauty. So as you can see, the bike is under assembly right now and we have to just assemble a few parts like the front visor or the windshield, and yeah, check the connection bolts and stuff, check the oil level, fill petrol and give it a start. They will charge the battery overnight so I can collect the bike tomorrow. As you can see, it's a 1250 GS Adventure, the full option model. I've gone for the legendary golden wheels and you can see the opposed twin engine, which is legendary. Biggest upgrade I would say is the headlamp this year and the electronically adjustable suspension. I can just keep talking about this bike but I'll do that tomorrow when I collect it, so yeah, hang in for more. Back at the BMW AGMC showroom, this time with my helmet to collect my bike. So I asked them to not take the bike into the showroom and just keep it at the workshop parking so I can collect it myself and take it into the showroom before taking the official handover. That's my bike. That's the new number plate that I got. Oh boy, I'm so excited. But I've got so much anxiety. I know this will be very dark because I've kept the ISO very low. But I'll take it out and I'll show it to you guys in the full light. I can barely touch my feet. How am I going to? I can barely touch the ground. Look at it. I think I need to return this bike.
Shut up.
Can I put it?
Yeah. Okay, Ravi, I think first thing we need to do is, adjust the seat height. Now this is low, and you flip this one also. See? Ah, okay. This one? Correct? And how about the electronic suspension? Is it on high or low?
So to adjust the suspension, we have to start the bike. But test this one, suspension, see what is the position. It's on the road and auto. So it will automatically, when you start to ride, it will adjust. So if you want minimum, also possible. Start the bike.
Start the bike. So as you can see, I was really nervous around the bike. This is the first time I've had a 1000cc bike in my hand, and such a huge bike. I mean, the bike weighs more than 250 kgs, and it was a big day for me, and I was very anxious and nervous. I'd had a very long day at work, and I had taken a half day at work and then come here to collect the bike. I was very nervous already. And then when I sat on the bike and I couldn't touch my feet on the ground, I was kind of worried at one point that, have I made a right decision? Because I've never ridden this bike, I've never taken a test ride or, I have not ridden anybody else's bike as well. So I was just kind of worried in my head that how am I going to ride this bike? And then when I took it on the slope, I was just worried that, maybe I'll lose control. So I was just trying to tap my feet on the ground. I mean, that's not very natural of me, but I'm very confident around bikes, but I've just ridden smaller bikes, lesser power bikes. The maximum power I've ridden is 500cc, 350cc and stuff, but never 1000cc, and that too such a huge bike. So I was a bit nervous when I took the bike. But hold on, and you will see me riding soon on the highways and on the off-roads, and you're going to have more videos from me where I'll be much more confident on the bike, and I guess you'll enjoy those. Let me show you guys how the bike sounds. as you can see, the video quality has not come out that great. This was the first time I was using the camera on my bike, and it was the first time I was using the chin mount on my helmet. I had already had a very long day and I had just got my bike. I was very nervous riding this bike for the first time. As I mentioned, this was the first time I was handling a 1000 plus cc bike, and it weighs 250 plus kgs. So I was really nervous while riding the bike, to be honest. So it happened to be the peak hour of traffic in Dubai, and people were just getting back home from work. So I faced a lot of traffic at Al Khail Road and at Hessa Street. So it was again difficult to ride. First time being on road on this bike, I had to really concentrate and look around and check the traffic out. But I can promise that in coming few days I'll be shooting some really nice content from my bike, because I've gotten much better on the bike later, because I'm recording this on a later date after a month from getting the bike. So I'm pretty sure I've ridden a lot now, and I'm pretty sure that the content is going to be much better. I think I can really sense how the camera works and the bike works best. And I'm planning a trip for the first week of December, because it's a long weekend here. So I'm sure if you guys stick around, you'll get to see some nice videos of the bike and me doing some more adventure in the UAE. So this is the only unboxing video of my bike, and yeah, it's not come out really great. I'm not happy with it. It could have been much better, but I was just under tremendous stress and I was so nervous and anxious that it just ended up this way. But yeah, this is what I have right now with me, so I'm just going to upload it for the record. But yeah, I will definitely work hard and definitely post some much better stuff from the bike. So this is me signing off then. See you guys in the next video.